You were charged with tampering with a government record with intent to make it genuine. Is that right?
I'm sorry. Say it one more time, Judge. I missed what you said.
You're charged with tampering with a government record. You are facing up to 6 months in jail and or a $2,000 fine. We are going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, will be appointed to you, sir.
On January 16th, 2025, the officer observed the defendant's vehicle with a paper license plate on North Freeway, East Service Road. The officer ran the license plate, and the license plate came back with no record. The officer observed the license plate was a copy and did not have required security features. A traffic stop was initiated, and the officer made contact with the defendant, the driver of the vehicle. The defendant stated he received the license plate from the person who sold him the truck, that he receives a new license plate whenever he makes payments, and that he thought that was legal. The defendant stated he did not have insurance on the vehicle, and the officer ran the VIN and discovered the motor vehicle to be salvaged. The officer also found the vehicle had never been registered and had never had a state inspection. The defendant provided a dealer tag receipt for the license plate, listing him as a purchaser.
So he tried to purchase in good faith, Judge. He just, I don't see how there's any criminal intent.
But he's going payments and he gets a new license plate every time he gets a payment.
That's what the officer says he was saying.
Well, that, right. But I mean,
Right.
Marcos, I see what you're saying because he's charged with tampering, right? To tamper, you must, I know, let's pull the cup.
Right.
Because I mean, do you have to make a willing,
But you negligently or recklessly
an alteration, so to speak, you know? Let's see.
knowingly makes a false entry in the false alteration of a government record.
A person commits, if he knowingly makes a false entry in or false alteration of a government record, makes, presents, or uses any record, document, or thing with knowledge of its falsity with intent that it be taken as a genuine government record.